everybody, and welcome to another silly tutorial thingy, and this time it's for Sony Vegas Pro 13. It could honestly work for, I think, pretty much any Vegas Pro after this one. And this is just how to mute stuff and how to move pictures. Now this has no sound at the moment, because this video clip itself does not have any sound. So maybe I'll have to pick one with sound. Okay, how about this? It's a random clip I have, and there's talking. Jesus fuck, that's loud. Okay. Delete track, that's it. Okay. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna teach you, or show you guys, how to mute stuff and how to move pictures. So, first, here's the two things you can do to mute audio. You can just click this little guy right here to mute. Here's before. Here's after. See, no sound. I muted it. And another way you can do it is by going to the top here and just dragging it down. And there's also no sound here as well, which you can play around with sound. If you wanted to not go away completely, all you have to do is move it around till you like it. Okay, now we will move on to moving pictures or zooming up. So first I'm going to crop it so you don't get those lines. Which takes some time, but that's okay. There we go. Kinda. That's good. I actually like that, so Sonic X Crop 2. And you can click save to save certain crops you like. And then it's like that for the whole video. And if you want to, do like the same crop like I did just now, you can just click this for anything. Let me grab another clip, just random. That's not zoomed in already. Here, let's do the headbang shot, because why not? Everything with tails. And I think I turned this down, or maybe this is just muted. Yeah, it's just muted. So that one you don't have to worry about, I guess. I guess I recorded it without audio because I didn't want sound. So what you can do, if you like that crop, you can go to Sonic X Crop 2. And there you go. Now to move around a picture, say I want to zoom up in on the teardrop over here. All you gotta do is, let me see. Alright. You gotta move this little thing. Also, if you want to add a new one, all you gotta do is double click and it adds one. Also, if you want some of the same, you could do copy and then paste. Now I have to move this. There we go. And it'll zoom in. And it zoomed out. So that's how you do that. And if you wanted to do like these cool shake motions, all you gotta do is that. Like, move up. Go down. Go down. Gotta just do a whole bunch. Now sometimes if you like them, sometimes you can do like back and forth and such. Like by going like, oh, I like where this is at and I want to see that again. So you can do copy, go here, paste, and it'll repeat the pose that you had in that one. So let's see how that looks. I did not try very hard, so let's see how it looks. See, it's moving around and stuff. And that is it. Got any other questions about Sony Vegas Pro that you would like to know? You can totally comment down below and I will help you as much as I can because I'm still learning myself from other people's tutorials. But sometimes people explain things weird and I sometimes dumb things down for people and I'm helpful, so ask me if you would like any other things that you need help for. So, comment down below if you got any questions about Sony Vegas Pro 13 or if there's anything I forgot to mention. And that is all. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.